I'm Miss Geraldine Mason.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to learn how to cut a pattern or on fabric. First, let's make sure we have all our materials ready. Do you have your supplies?
Yes, we have everything. Fabrics, ruler, pattern paper, iron, needle, tracing paper, pins, pencil, eraser, cutting shears, tracing wheel, tailor's chalk, measure, tape measure.
Great! Let's start with the basics. First, if necessary, we need to pre-wash the fabric. Did you pre-wash your fabric?
Yes, we do.
Excellent! Now, iron your fabric. To remove any wrinkles, it's important to have a smooth surface to work with. Go ahead and do that now.
Good job. We'll organize our materials on the cutting table. Make sure everything is within easy reach. How are you doing with that?
Everything is organized and within reach.
Perfect. Now take your pattern paper and use your pencil to trace the pattern pieces. Remember to use tailor chalk to mark the fabric. Let's do this together.
First, make a perpendicular line. On the right side, 3 inches and mark. The upper part, 3 inches, then mark. Then, make a line using ruler. Next, A to C is your first hip, which is 9 inches. Next, from C down 2 inches, your second hip. Then letter D. Next,
From point A down 18 inches to point B. From A down to C is 5 inches. First hip and make a line to the left. From C to D down 2 inches for your second hip and make a line. From A, make a line horizontally for your waistline and plus 1 inch to the left. From C to the left is the first hip. From A line to the left is the second hip. From B line to the left is the first hip again. Now, we're done to hold the measurement. From A down 3.
the fabric pieces together as per the pattern instructions. This will help keep everything in place for the next steps. Great job! Your pieces are well cut and accurately pinned. Keep practicing these steps to improve your skills. I'm here to offer guidance and support, so don't hesitate to ask if you need help.
Thank you for assisting us.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work and soon you'll be a pro at cutting patterns.
Thank you for participating.